Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hello, my name's Jakara, and today is going to be an outdoor day because spring has sprung, in my opinion. I mean, that's not everybody's opinion, but it's my opinion. But in any case, it's, you know, close enough to the time where I need to start getting my garden prepped and getting my seedlings prepped. And it's late March. Well, it's middle of March right now. So I am going to start sowing my seeds, and then I'm going to be doing some transferring of plants. I'm going to be pulling up some stuff from the garden, things that weren't so successful or things that were successful, and I kind of left the remnants there in the garden. Please excuse my appearance. I am deep conditioning my hair right now, so you don't want to see what's going on under here. But anyway, yeah, I'm going to be working on garden stuff today. And so let me just show you some of the things that I have obtained so that I can get this garden started. I'm going to be expanding my garden. I'm going to be including flowers in my garden this year. I'm so excited. Anyway, let me show you what I got. Okay, you guys, if you hear some noise in the background, I'm sorry. It's my washing machine. I am in our laundry room, and it is the washing machine kind of loud, and also our furnace is really loud too. So please forgive me. I'll try to speak up and show you. But anyway, what I'm showing you right here is this. I got this from Home Depot. It's a little seed starting kit. And it comes with, just got all my seeds situated here. These little trays, or you could start your little seedlings or seeds and sow your seeds. And then there's a cover here that you put on top of it. I don't know if it shows it here. Yeah, it kind of shows it here. And then once they start to sprout and you get a good seedling going, you can transfer these into the ground. And these are biodegradable. So I wanted to try these biodegradable ones first. I have planned out my garden. So I've planned what I'm going to put in these little trays. Basil, I'm going to put a few basil in there. And then in the same tray, I'm going to do some red pepper and some jalapeno pepper. And this one, because I was so successful at growing cauliflower last year, I'm going to do cauliflower, and then I'm going to include broccoli. Those are two of the vegetables I love to eat. I'm going to try again to sow some carrots. Carrots, I may not be able to put it in this container because these suckers, they don't like to be moved, and they need like a deep system where their roots can go down. So I may have to put this in something different. Then I have some Roma tomatoes, which I like to use for my caprese salad. So my Roma tomatoes and my basil for my caprese salad. And then Brussels sprouts. I almost was able to get good Brussels sprouts. I think the problem is I didn't put my seedlings down early enough. So I'm going to try to do it earlier this year. They are pretty weather resistant. I'll show you in the garden where they kind of grew but didn't mature really. So I think I also didn't know some things about how to get them to mature faster, and now I know. So now I know better, I can do better. And then I have some bell peppers. I was able to grow a few of these last year, which I was pretty excited about. I used them in my tuna salad. It was really good, and it was so fresh. I mean, you guys, the difference between store-bought vegetables and your garden vegetables, there is a difference. There's like a freshness that I can't even explain, that I really appreciate. Turn this over. So yeah, I'm looking forward to getting all these to grow. And then I got another set of beefsteak, oh no, Brandywine heirloom tomatoes here. And then the beefsteak tomatoes here. So these are gonna be tomatoes, because I want more tomatoes this year. I mean, I was really surprised that my tomato plant actually grew and grew pretty well. And I got quite a few tomatoes, but not as many as I wanted. So I still had to go to the store for, you know, a couple times for tomatoes, but you know, that's why I got 3 packs of tomatoes so I can get 3 different crops of tomatoes. Anyway, that is the vegetables. Now let me go to the flowers. Okay, so these are the flowers that I'm planning on growing this year. Hopefully they'll grow. I love peonies. I wish I'd gotten another pack of peonies, but I wanted to see how I could do growing those this year. And then I got 3 different types of dahlias because I just think they're so pretty. I love dahlias, especially these. Look at that one. Oh my gosh, it's so pretty. Okay, so that's those. I got this Dicentra, which I think is just different looking, you know, something different. Oh, I did get another pack of peonies. Okay, so I got 2 packs of peonies, 3 packs of dahlias. I got a Dicentra, and then I got Columbine, which look like that. And then I got Cosmos. I think I got, okay, and that's Clematis. 2 things of Clematis, 2 different types. There's these burgundy pink ones, and then these purple and white ones. So, all in all, I think, you know, we're gonna have a really pretty flower garden this year. I hope, I pray, but a lot of these you can't start sowing them or planting them until, I want to say April. Yeah, April. So, April, I think. Yeah, I'm in Illinois, so that's this color, so that's April. So I have to wait like another month, or at least another few weeks before I can sow these. I think they're all about the same. Yeah, this is April. I think there's only one of them I can sow in March. But anyway, that is the flowers that I'm hoping will grow. And I'm gonna try to plant them near the, where the sitting area is, near our patio. Despite it looking like this outside and my garden looking like that, I am sowing my seeds. I'm getting ready for spring. Okay, so I got everything planted. I watered everything down. And as you can see, I got a variety of things here. All my favorite vegetables, which is great. Now there is a cover that this thing comes with, and I should put this in the cover. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'll show you what it looks like. Okay, this is how it's looking, all covered, getting a little greenhouse effect going on here. It did come with, this thing did come with these stakes that you put into the soil like this, but there just wasn't enough, which is why I used the clothespins here. I'll just save these for next time. And then it also came with this Super Thrive plant vitamins for seedlings. I mean, I'm using this Miracle-Gro planting soil, so I'm not really concerned about it getting the vitamins, but maybe in a week or two, I'll use this just to, or maybe in a few days, I'll put some of this on it if I find that I might need it, but I don't think I'll need it, but I'll hold on to it for next time. In the meantime, this is how the little cover goes. You just put it on top. And all my little seedlings or seeds are tucked away, and hopefully soon I'll have some seedlings. All right, it's only been 4 days and already my broccoli is starting to sprout. My basil, I got one little sprout from my basil there. My Brussels sprouts are right here. They're sprouting. Looks like my cauliflower hasn't done anything yet. It's still not there yet. None of my tomatoes are sprouting yet. There's tomatoes here, here, and here. Those haven't started, but these Brussels sprouts, oh my gosh, they are really going. They're here and then here. So Brussels sprouts for the win here. Oh, look at my little baby sprouts. I love them so much. Excuse the glare. Oh, my Brussels sprouts are really growing. But I'm really excited. My tomatoes have gone. The heirlooms are starting to sprout a little bit, and then the beefsteak are doing the best. And even the Roma are starting to come up. But the Brussels sprouts, as you can see, here and here, here and here, are really coming up. And then the broccoli is coming up good too. I got a few little basil sprouts here. And I'm just waiting on the cauliflower and the jalapenos here and the bell peppers. They're a little on the slow side, but we'll see how things progress. I'm gonna have to transfer these Brussels sprouts soon. The Brussels sprouts and the broccoli are probably gonna have to be transferred to a bigger pot soon. But good progress, good progress.
Not sure how to make this work, but you know that I got you. I just need you by my side. Will you be mine? Can't get away from you, even if I wanted to. I'ma be so good.
So you can see from this angle that I've turned over the soil, got it all prepared. I even added some extra soil, garden soil, to the beds. I will be starting another bed here. You can see where my finger is pointing. And then even down there, between those two bushes, I'm gonna be planting some things. So yes, I'm gonna plant things that do well in the shade over there, because once this tree starts to grow leaves, it's gonna cast a shadow over there between those bushes, and plus the bushes are also gonna cast a shadow. So really the only other place for my plants who need a lot of sunlight to be is right here in these two beds. So yeah, that's how I'm gonna do it. I haven't decided how I'm going to orient them yet, but I will be figuring that out in the next few days, and in the next few weeks I'll be able to actually start planting. Okay, so these Brussels sprouts are ready to go into a pot. So I'm gonna transfer them into a few pots that I have. Just because if you can look under here, the roots are coming out the bottom of this biodegradable container. So I'm gonna take them and put them in this pot here. Give them a little bit more room to grow. So we'll do that now. I have a couple of these pots over here. I have a couple of these and then one more smaller one that I can use, but they gotta come out of here because they're getting a little bit crowded. So we'll do that now.
Hope you never ever leave from my side. I can't stop thinking about you. Hope you never ever leave. You killed the lies, we come to life. I see the fire in your eyes. I can't stop thinking about you. Hope you never ever leave. When you say my name, oh na 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 yeah, I can feel the rush. Oh na 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 yeah. When you say my name, oh na 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 yeah, I can feel the rush. Oh na 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 yeah.
I still have a whole lot more tomatoes to repot. And yeah, those heirloom tomatoes and the beefsteak tomatoes. But I'm gonna let them stay in the greenhouse, this little greenhouse, for a little while. My basil is coming up. I really do think this long one here is broccoli seed or a Brussels sprout seed that got put in the wrong section or ended up getting in the wrong section somehow. But anyway, still nothing on my cauliflower, and looks like my jalapeno peppers are starting to come up a little bit, but nothing for my bell peppers yet. So these stay in the greenhouse. So put the cover back on and let them do their thing. These last two containers are going to be for my carrots, but I can't seem to find the packet of seeds that I had. So as soon as I find those, I'll plant them. But they're waiting for them. Hopefully I can find them soon because I really want to plant these carrots soon. All right, I am propagating some sweet potato vines here so that I can plant these. I got some little critter here, this little flat beetle. I hate those things. They are so creepy looking, but I have to plant these. So he's gonna have to go. Sorry, bud, because I'm gonna plant these now in soil. All right, so I planted the sweet potato leaves or vines that I propagated. Hopefully they'll take to the soil and grow, and then I will be able to transplant them outside, hopefully. Okay, so we got all of the Brussels sprouts over here. I was able to repot all of those. I have some of my tomatoes here, just my Roma tomatoes here. Those are for carrots and red peppers, which I haven't found the packets for yet. My sweet potato plant has been repotted, the propagated ones. And then over here, we have broccoli. The broccoli is over here, so. Okay, friends, that's it for my video this week. Let me know if you're getting a garden ready for this spring and what you're planting and what you're looking forward to most to harvest in the fall. So if you have any questions or concerns or comments, just put them in the comment section below. Give me a thumbs up for the video and subscribe if you're inclined. I would love to have you here. In the meantime, I hope you have a great day or night wherever you are. And until I see you next time, Take care.